So let's continue. So we're using the binomial theorem. We're expanding it using Pascal's triangle. So in this case, we have 1 plus 2x cubed. So that cubed is telling us that we need the coefficients from Pascal's triangle from the third row. And the third row's coefficients are 1, 3, 3, and 1. So our first term is 1 inside, and our second term is 2x. So 1 plus 2, sorry, I meant to say 2 over x cubed will be equal to, our first coefficient is 1, and we're going to have 1 and 2 over x. The power on the 1 is 3, and the power on the 2x is 0. So again, we start with the power that we are raising our binomial to on the first term. So then we are going to add our coefficient 3, and then we'll have 1 and 2 over x. So this will be 1 less, so 2, and 1 more than 0, so that's 1. Plus our next coefficient. So we will have 2 here, or sorry, 1 here, and we will have 2 on the 2 over x. And then our last term will be 1 times 1 over 2, or sorry, times 2 over x. This will be to the power of 0, and this is to the power of 3. So when we clean this up, we have 1 plus 6 over x plus 12 over x squared plus 8 over x cubed. On number 6, we have the quantity a minus 1 over a all raised to the 6th power. That 6 is telling us we need the coefficients from Pascal's triangle in the 6th row. And the 6th row is 1, 6, 15, 20, 15,
If a member
6,
from the girls lacrosse team and the girls soccer team, if a member of either of those could come in the front office and pick up equipment that was left on a bus.
Okay, so we have 2 terms inside here. We have a and we have negative 1 over a. So that's going to be helpful when we're going to expand this. So the first coefficient is 1. First term inside here is a, and that second term is negative 1 over a. So the a is raised to the 6th power. Negative 1 over a is to the 0. We're going to add 6a, negative 1 over a. And that will be to the 5th, and we'll have 1 plus 15a and negative 1 over a. This a is to the 4th, this one is squared, plus 20, that's our next coefficient, and this a will be to the 3rd, which means that this one is 3, plus 15, our coefficient, a and negative 1 over a, squared into the 4th, plus 6a and negative 1 over a. This a is to the 1st power, and this one's to the 5th. And the last term, the a will have a power of 0, this a has a power of 6. So when we clean all of that up, it's a to the 6th, minus 6a to the 4th, plus 15a squared, minus 20, plus 15a squared minus 6 over a to the 4th, plus 1 over a to the 6th.